applications like development branch, production branch, UAT, stage, hotfix, testing, etc. Okay. So whenever you create a repository, a default branch will create. That branch name is, what is that branch, Amrit? Yeah,
Me.
in older version they call it as a master branch. Older version they call it as a master branch. So what is a local repository? Developer mission contains a .git folder is nothing but local repository. So I will show you this. So what this is? Yeah. So which branch you created? Which repository we created? For example, what this is? This is your remote repository, right, Amrita? Amrit. So you are cloning. What is that? You are cloning your remote repository into local repository. So how you can clone? By using git clone command. By using git clone command. Yeah. You see? So it's a cloned. You are appear to have a cloned an empty repository. CD. What is that? Citibank. Now you see Git Citibank. This is the local repository. What is the branch? The branch is main branch. So what it contains? It doesn't have any code. ls-la. What it contains? .git. What it is? It is a .git. A .git contains all the Git configuration files. Git configuration files. Now you understood? What is your local repository? Now Citibank is this is your local repository, and this is your remote repository. I will show you now what is that remote repository. What is a remote repository? What is a remote repository? So what is remote repository? GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket. These all are the GitHub is a remote repository. A GitHub contains code
So you mean
connected
to say that
to.
one minute, sir. So I write a
Mm,
code, and
mm,
when I connect my, there will be a folder created .git, correct, in my system.
yes, yes,
That
yes,
is
yes,
nothing but
yes,
the local repository.
yes. For example, you joined a company, so a repository already created. Citibank repository is already created. You are working on that Citibank repository. How you can download from your remote repository to local repository? So you can download the remote repository into your local. Then this repository is a this repository is your local repository. So whatever the code is there in the remote repository, the same code will be the same code will be there in the local repository. You can do something like I will show you. Touchhurry.txt. For example, this is the code you wrote. So you want to push that code from your local repository to remote repository. How you can push it? Git add dot git commit -m test git push. Yeah, you see now. So in your local hurry.txt is there. Now you pushed this hurry.txt to your remote repository. Is it pushed or not? Let's see. Yeah, now you see. So hurry.txt just now. This is the commit ID. Who committed? Hari sir. What is the commit message? Text. So what is the branch? The branch is main branch. Understood?
Okay. Once.
So I will show you. I will show you. I will show you clearly. Just for your understand, I did this one. Okay. So how to set up this GitHub environment? How to sign up this GitHub environment? And how to set up this local environment? Local environment. How to create a repository? How to clone the repository? How to push the repository? We'll show you tomorrow, guys. How to install the Git and Git Bash on your local machine. Okay. Register and login GitHub account, create a empty repository, generate a token, how to push the code, how to pull the code. We'll show you.